There is no secret that agriculture is the backbone of all the economies throughout the world, especially here in Laguna.
Agriculture plays a vital role in economic transformation and is critical to achieving development goals such as ensuring food security and promoting better nutrition.
So that's why Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering or BSABE program was officially created in the Philippines with the enactment of Republic Act number 10915, the Philippine Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering Act of 2016.
So, empower the future of agriculture. As an engineer, you will drive innovation, increase productivity, and shape sustainable food systems with the change that feeds generations to come, and that could be you.
Sino? Ako daw? Pero iba din. Ganda pala sa LSPU, no? Wow! Ako kaya? So kaya ako papasok ng college? Sa LSPU kaya o BCC? Pero teka, civil engineering na lang kaya kunin ko? Or pwede din mechanical? O kaya naman, teka, ano ba tong course na to? BSABE? Nakaka-curious to ah. Meron pala nito sa LSPU. Search nga natin. Yan, goods. May interview din pala sila with professional abe. Nice.
So, welcome back mga kabayaw. And today, we are here for a virtual interview with a professional agricultural and biosystem engineer, a 2020 graduate at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Siniloan Campus.
Good evening, sir. We are the Agricultural and Biosystem Engineering students from LSPU, Siniloan Campus, and I am Andre Daniel Amreya.
I'm Noah Marty Asares.
I am Jeronimo Leonel Dipo.
Part of our interview, we prepared a set of questions for you, sir. Where did you study or took your degree in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering, and what year did you graduate?
I took my Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Engineering. That was back then Agricultural Engineering, not Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I took my degree in that program at the Laguna State Polytechnic University Siniloan Campus. And I spent about 5 years because that was back then, that was a 5-year curriculum program. And I graduated August 2020. That's, I think, pandemic era pa nun. And yeah.
Who inspired you to pursue Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering?
Who inspired me to be to pursue this program? So actually, the story behind that is really is that I want to take civil engineering. Fortunately, hindi ko ba alam kung hindi ko alam ginagawa ko dati kasi nung high school. So I just decided to take an engineering course that's near my street or barangay, and then that's it. Not knowing na agriculture to, then walang kaalaman sa, even yung pagtatanim ng pari bago pumasok ng college, I still decided to take agricultural engineering. And first year, second year, third year, suddenly nagkaroon ng parang commitment towards the course. And then doon na na-develop yung parang kagustuhan ko doon sa course na okay, so buti na lang parang hindi ko pinursu mag-civil engineering kasi baka hindi rin naman ako very particular doon.
What are the projects or achievements are you most proud of as an agricultural and biosystem engineer?
Siguro yung thesis ko na lang na na-publish, not international journal, but a local journal. Na I think the first step na pwede ko maging proud kasi yun yung first step ko sa parang kung mag-strive ako sa academe or professorship sa isang university. Achievement, I would say siguro yun na lang nung nakagraduate syempre nung ABE, nakapagtapos ako na as a DOST scholar, and I think those are the things that I can be proud of.
What skills or qualities do you think are most important to succeed in this field?
Siguro simulan natin siya sa as a student muna. Siguro kailangan maging patient ka, maging resilient, You always pay attention to your studies, be responsible. Lahat ng pwedeng para hindi ka mawala dun sa sa ano bang goal mo? Makatapos lang or makatapos ka ng with the quality. I think yun yung kailangan nyo. So just besides technicality, sabihin natin magaling kayo sa technical part ng engineering, which is very important sa profession natin. Pag sinabing technical aspect, at maalam kang, hindi ka lang basta magaling sa math, hindi ka lang basta magaling compute, kaya mong, itong number yung lumabas na ganito, is this applicable to this project that I want to create? So hindi lang yun. So kailangan technical ka as in, alam mo yung kung ano yung nangyari sa bagay na yun.
You start applying your AB knowledge in real-life situations after graduation.
Engineering knowledge siguro na-i-apply ko siya sa practically sa lahat ng bagay. So, nung natutunan ko yung mga let's say sa tubig, so soil and water conservation engineering, which is will be your major in the future, one of your major subjects, soil and water. So doon na-apply ko yung concept ng water conservation, na hindi lahat ng tubig na parang kaya mo kunin sa gripo, sa timba mo, forever na dyan. I mean, water is a resource, pero kailangan natin siyang tipirin. Parang ganun.
So, now that you are a successful engineer po, what message or advice would you give to the student like us who wants to become an agricultural and biosystem engineer someday?
One advice na I think gusto kong baliin, lagi yung bumabali dun sa ano yan. Okay na yun, may mga nagsasabi, okay na yun, okay na ako sa test. It's not that I'm being so ambitious. It's that, a different mindset ba na parang, ba't ako mag-stick sa very, parang passing grade lang? I mean, bakit hindi natin tasan? I mean, let's surpass the average, the passing grade. Kasi once na lumaglag tayo dun sa below, wala na tayong magagawa. Kasi bagsak na tayo nun. Paano pagka medyo above average ka, sabihin natin 80 ka. So, kung gumaba ka man dun, so you still have some levels na pupuntahan. Di ba? So, ayun. And always remember, although grades are very important to pass at para maka-apak kayo sa susunod na year nyo, always remember that grades are aligned with what you have learned sa courses ninyo. Always remember that. Kunwari, kung stress ka, mag-alala. Ang isipin mo, ay inaral mo yung dapat aralin, may nalaman ka, at nagpursige ka na parang i-browse lahat ng content dun sa subject na yun.
So, thank you po Engineer Sir John Gabriel U. Bernardo for taking the time to speak with us tonight. We truly appreciate the opportunity to learn from your experiences and gain valuable insight into the field of agricultural and biosystem engineer. Your perspective on the industry and your role have been enlightening, and we are also grateful for the advice you've shared with us. This conversation has not only deepened our understanding of the field but has also reinforced our enthusiasm for pursuing a career in agricultural and biosystem engineering. Once again, thank you for your time, expertise, and guidance po.
A growing population has repercussion for the demand of agricultural products.
Agricultural production and economic growth is about the most relevance. Only to this the world needs us.
So, choose agricultural and biosystem engineering, be one of us, and together,
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 and together,
let's make a propitious impact to the world.